Hi, there's a couple of tips if you're considering filing for a divorce. One of the first things that you should do, even if you're not sure if you're going to file or not, is to try and get copies of all financial documents in the house. And that can be anything from tax returns to credit card statements to retirement accounts uh, to other regular bills. If you can make a copy of that, and if you can keep your copy or scan it and not have it at your home, it's better to make more copies than less. A second good thing to do is to either take a video of the whole household and all the contents in the household, or take photos of it. The more contents that you can take, the better. Divorces sometimes can take months or even years, and if one party's either remove some items or one party has to go out of the house, it's important to have a good memory of what all the items that there are in place. A third tip is to consider going to either an attorney or sometimes a mediator for a free initial consultation. Even if you're not sure if you're going to hire an attorney or even go forward with the divorce, it is important to at least find out what some of your legal rights are, what some options are, and to see if you can get a comfort level in finding an attorney that if you do end up getting a divorce, either yourself filing or your spouse, that you have something in place. Another major tip would be to try and find a counselor, because it's very difficult to be going through a divorce with all the emotional aspects of it. And also sometimes a therapist or a clinician, along with a counselor or a financial planner. And the last tip to begin with is to be able to have some sort of a cash reserve. So if there's some way that you can have an amount of cash, you are going to have to claim that and list that in any documentation that you do. But it's important that you have an ability to have some sort of a cash flow and to be able to keep that not necessarily in the home. Again, it's something that you have to account for, but in case there's an emergency during the divorce, to be able to have those aspects of it.